Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. It is Drive Electric Week, so I wanted to do a quick video highlighting our fantastic electric vehicle lineup. I'm standing here next to the latest and greatest, of course, the EV9, which, look at it, really cool. 3-row, fully electric vehicle, no compromises in the 3rd row. It's like a minivan, fantastic amount of space, truly fabulous vehicle, and they're not cheap. But for what you get for the money, there's stuff in this car that really puts to shame some post-6-figure vehicles. And of course, we still have the EV6, exceptional vehicle, the Nero EV, ton of car for the money, and the EVs are very heavily incentivized. So if you're looking to save some money both at the gas pump and on your monthly payment, these cars weigh a ton, they ride like a dream, they are an incredible amount of money. So we do have some exciting specials going on for our EVs, and we would be more than happy to help you find the right one for you. And of course, it's a little bit different of an ownership experience. So all of our salespeople are certified in understanding electric vehicles, the ownership, the charging, everything that you need help understanding to make the most informed decision of if it's the right path for you. So if you're interested in making the journey and the drive towards electrification, shoot us a call or stop by today.